I told myself in 2023, I'm not going to be keeping anything in my closet. Like last time I checked, the closet is not wearing these items for me. So moving forward, anything I purchase, I'm gonna rock them. I'm gonna bring them out because I can't spend all this money and I use these items. Getting into what I'm gonna be sharing with you all today, obviously you already know from the thumbnail that is Dior unboxing. So I'm gonna start with the beauty item and then we move down to the other item. So the first beauty product that I'm gonna share with you is right inside this. Let's just open it up. It's still sealed, and so this item is from the Dior loyalty program. So like when you start purchasing from Dior beauty section on their website, you have the chance to register for your loyalty program. I do recommend that you do because there's a lot of perks, a lot of gifts that you receive as you purchase items. So like when you make a purchase worth over $1,000 for a certain period, you get to the platinum level. I clinched the platinum level last year sometime in September, but the gift I was supposed to receive was out of stock, so I just received the gift. I had to make a purchase in order for them to reactivate this gift that I got. So you can see that it's inside another Dior box, but I purchased a lip gloss, which is this lip gloss right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up so you guys can see it. So this is the lip gloss right here. So the shade is 754 Magnify. So this is the only gloss that I do have that has color to it, and this is how it looks like this. They had to reactivate my gift. I also got some freebies from them inside this drawstring bag. So some samples, lip stain samples right here, and a fragrance sample as well. So basically my order was less than $50 and you get like free samples. I know if you make purchases over $100, you get extra samples, like travel size samples, and there are coupon codes that you can add to get extra items from Dior Beauty. So let's open up the platinum gifts that I received. This is the box again, so let's open it up. Ooh, right here. This is a water bottle that has the Dior inscription on it, a Capture to Tell lotion. I don't use any of their Capture to Tell lines. I do have other items that I use from Dior, but I never tried the Capture to Tell. This is the Capture to Tell lotion. I don't mind trying it, see if I like it. If I do, maybe I might actually purchase maybe their serum. And the water bottle, which I know I'm going to use so much. This is the water bottle. It says Dior on both sides, and that's the top part with the star. So yeah, I love this. I love it. I can't wait to see what I get for my birthday, because they do give you birthday gifts as well. So let's see what I'm gonna get for my birthday. Up next is inside this bag right here. So this is also a beauty item from the beauty line as well. This is a fragrance, but I do have some free gifts that came with this fragrance. And open this up like so. So this is what is inside here. I do have this pink, this pale pink pouch, and some little gifts right here. This is one of the freebies I got from Dior. Inside here there's a tissue, and I know there's stuff inside here as well. So let's see what I got. Oh, actually a mini Miss Dior right there, mini Miss Dior. So I got the classic velvety mini lipstick. right here. Oh my god, look at that. Gorgeous. And the last item that was inside this pouch, oh, okay, is the Capture to Tell serum. I don't mind trying the Capture to Tell line. Right here is the Capture to Tell bottle, and it's a serum. I cannot wait to try this out. This is the package right here, and it's the Dior Prestige line, so I just can't wait to try this as well, see if I like it. I got this Sauvage sample, and I got this J'adore sample. So I purchased this, and it comes in this drawstring bag. So I bought the Oud ISPHAN fragrance right here. I've always wanted this fragrance. I've heard so much nice things about this fragrance, so I'm excited to try this out after this sprayed out right now. Okay, first impression, just sprayed it on my clothes. It has a very strong smell, but I'm gonna watch it and see how I like it. But so far I am happy to try this out. Like I said, I've heard so much nice things about this fragrance, so we'll see, because I'll be coming up with some fragrance review very shortly. This is the next, but this is not a true unboxing. I've unboxed this like last week. I really wanted to put on this item and I had to take it off the box. So this is the item right here. It's a sunglass. Like, I know you guys will be like, you and sunglasses. Yeah, I love sunglasses, especially this color that I'm going to show you guys. So this is the pouch right here. It says Christian Dior. I have this in a different color, but I've been eyeing this off-white color for a very long time. You know, I have an issue with off-white glasses. I have so many glasses like this color, and I don't know why I just keep buying them. Just tell me that you're not feeling these glasses, okay? It's not new season glasses, but I just love it. Like it is everything, okay? It's giving me everything I want to give. So yeah, the square shape glasses, they look so good on my face. So when I wear it, you guys see it look good on my face. So next up is this right here, and this is the box right here, and let's open it up. Right here, let's open it up. So just looking at this, you know, it's a pair of shoes or sandals, or you know, I've been wanting this for a very long time, and so I got my hands on this J'adore heels right here, and I got a size 40. This is the bottom of the shoe for you guys to see it. I don't have a lot to say about this heels other than I love it, and I love the sling back. I love the heels. It's very perfect because these days I cannot walk on 5-inch heels. And the bottom part is made of leather with velvet on it. This is the bottom part right there. Style it properly for you guys, but yes, the perfect color. Let me know what you guys think about these heels on my foot. Let me know if you love it. The heels, perfect for me. The sling back, I'm in the sling back era, sling back lady, sling back era. Ta-da! This is the final item right here. Let's unbox it. So I'm going to do a true unboxing right here because I actually wanted to record this unboxing separately, but we're gonna do it right here, okay? We're gonna do it right here. I'm just rambling everywhere. If this is the first time that you're stumbling on this channel, my name is Chichi. I concentrate on fashion, pretty much anything I want to talk about right here. If it sounds like what you're interested, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below. Become part of this little family. Let's grow together. I'm also on other social platforms. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. I'm not on Twitter though, but yeah, follow me on every other platform. Let's be friends. Let's get back to this unboxing. It's wrapped in here. Ooh. So this is the item right here. I got another handbag. So let's see what's in here. This is my new blush baby right here. Hello. Yes, I got a new Lady Dior bag, and yes, let's unravel her. Okay, this is out. It's a gorgeous Lady Dior handbag in the size small. I do have a mini and burgundy. I've had that for years. So this is the newest baby in my collection, brand new, fresh, and I love it. Let's get into the details of this bag. This is a small Lady Dior bag, and this is in the patent leather, so it's the shiny leather. It comes with gold hardware, and right there you can see the CD initials right there. Also at the back is it also comes with a strap inside the bag. This is how the inside look like. It does have this flap, and just go ahead and open this flap up. This is inside the bag. I'm just gonna take out the strap and take out everything inside this bag. So you're seeing the inside of the handbag. So this is inside the bag. It's made of microfiber lining, so it's like a velvety material used to make the interior of this bag. Also right in the bottom you can see it has zipper, so you can put little things that you want to put in at the zipper at the back right there. That's all about it for the interior. There is nothing right here. There is no pockets right here or anything. This is all you're getting in this bag. So this flap closes like so, and it helps to secure your items inside the bag. This is the back of the bag, and the bottom of the bag has 4 fits. So the bag has 4 fits, 2 right here and 2 at the other side, and also made of like gold metals as well. This is the strap that comes with the bag. This is it. Just hook it, like hook one right here and the other one, and the other one goes over here, right? And so you have your strap. I like the strap that is added to the handbag. I can cross it over my shoulder. There's quite a little bit of difference with the size small and the mini. Don't worry, I'm going to do a comparison video for you guys with the mini and the small. And this bag can hold pretty much number of things. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put things inside the bag, and let's see how it holds up. Let's see what fits inside this handbag. My wallet, hand lotion, mirror, hand sanitizer. So I have this pen hand sanitizer, travel size fragrance, and a Dior lip maximizer. And I still do have more space if I wanted to put something else. And the only thing missing is my car keys, so I'll put my car keys in here. and just shut it down like this. Close it up. Voila, look at that, nothing is falling out of the bag. This is a good purchase. I can just put more stuff inside of it, but I'm gonna be careful because I don't want to put too much and the bag would be heavy. I actually thought I was done, but like I have one more item. I forgot, yeah, but it's right in here. I did get a Mitza scarf to tie on the handle of my bag, and so this is a little box that it comes in. Look at the color patterns and the inscriptions on this scarf. I do love it. And this is the bag right here. You can see it says Christian Dior. This is what I'm going to be using to tie on the handle of my handbag. This is a nice color contrast. I didn't want a blushy scarf on this bag. I wanted a little bit of contrast, and I love it. I would put this on the bag. Thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing that I showed you guys right here. Don't forget to hit the like button, turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I post any new content right here. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care and remain blessed. Bye bye.